Hey there, future welding pros. Ready to unbox the HITBOX AT2000 Stick Welder 140A? Today we're diving into the world of the HITBOX AT2000, a compact yet powerful welding machine that packs a punch. This little beast boasts a 140A output, perfect for all your DIY welding projects. Inside the box, you'll find the welder itself, sturdy and sleek, along with all the essential accessories you need to get started. We're talking about the grounding clamp, electrode holder, and even a handy user manual, because we all need a little guidance sometimes. But that's not all. The HITBOX AT2000 is known for its easy arc start and stable welding performance, making it a favorite for both beginners and seasoned pros. Stay tuned as we break down each feature and put this welder to the test in our full unboxing video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out. Catch you in the next video.